Welcome to Masala with a Twist, Cooking with Kids. My name is Bila and this is
Shazi.
And today we're making Shazi's favorite breakfast dish. Do you know what it is?
Yes, cheese omelet.
It's a cheese omelette, yes. Really, really simple. Let's turn on the stove. Can you please put a tablespoon of olive oil?
Olive oil?
Yep. Perfect. I have 2 eggs that I'm going to whisk. We have some salt and pepper. Can you put some salt and pepper in here?
Mm-hmm.
Right here, right here, right here.
Oh yeah.
In the eggs. You're so excited. He forgot where he's supposed to put things. Perfect. Okay. Mix this around. Can you grab the cheese?
Yeah.
Shazi's favorite cheese is American cheese, but you can use any type. Make sure you've got something that your child likes. All right, this is done.
Or you like to.
Or I like if he's making it for me. All right, so let's
Put this in?
Yeah. I'm just gonna move it around so it's all over. All right, pour it in.
Let's make it in a good shape. Ooh.
There you go, perfect.
That looks good.
So you know what the trick is to a good omelet? You push the egg in just a little bit once it's
Why do you do that?
cooked. So that you end up getting like the egg that still needs to be cooked. It makes a nice border.
Hear that, folks? You learn something new every day.
Yes, you do. You're gonna be a gourmet chef before your parents, right? I think you're gonna surpass me. What do you think? Do you know what surpass means?
No.
You're gonna be more advanced than me. I have a feeling. All right, let's let that sit and cook. I'm gonna lower the heat because we do not want to burn the other side. You don't like burned eggs, huh? No. Anybody likes burned eggs. But we have to make sure that it's a little bit runny in the middle.
So you get the nice juicy taste.
Yes. Okay, so let's open the cheese.
I'll open it.
And what we're gonna do is put it a strip right in the middle, and then I'm gonna fold the egg so it looks nice and pretty.
Cool.
In the meantime, I'm grabbing a plate. And what type of toast would you like, sir?
White, please.
White toast. Why not wheat?
I don't know. Maybe I won't have toast. I don't know.
Are you that hungry
Okay.
that you won't have toast? Okay, so we're gonna put a layer of the cheese in the middle. Now, I'm gonna help you with this. If you
Okay.
pick up a pan and you turn it. Go 1.
Is that pretty? Is that hard?
No. I mean, it takes a little bit of practice, but it's not bad. Pretty easy. Go.
Okay.
And I'm not gonna try to be all fancy and flip it without my spatula. There, look. Well done.
Here we are.
Was that easy? Breakfast is like simple.
And all you need to do is just flip it over right on your plate. That is
very nice. What if we...
Put salt and pepper? No, we already
Do you want to put anything on top of it?
Nah.
Nah. Can I have you try some then?
Sure.
Or do you want it with toast?
Nah, I'll just have it plain.
Have it plain. Let's move the hot pan away. You think it's too hot? Can I try it?
Sure.
I think the salt is perfect. I like that it only has a little bit of pepper in it. And the cheese is so creamy.
Can I try now?
No. No. I want to eat it. Can I have it?
Sure.
No, you try it.
Okay.
It's warm. Is it too warm for you? Okay. The cheese is going out.
It's delicious.
I think we'll have to stop recording and just have breakfast. What do you think? Yeah. All right, well, thank you for joining us. I hope you enjoyed it, and we look forward to hearing how your breakfast went.
And ask us to make stuff, and we'll make it.
Yes. And check out our Facebook page and our web, and we're on the web, we're on YouTube. So please do check us out and share our videos. Have a good day.
Bye.